Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Sugar Bites Beauty. My name is Myra. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the, what are we in, February American Influencer Beauty Bundle. I actually started this box 2 months ago and so far I have enjoyed both months a lot. So I'm really excited to see what's in here. I just cut off the tape, so let's see. We're gonna open it. Ooh. So inside it says, be strong, be beautiful, be you. Okay, so here's a little card with the picture of everything that's in here. So this month was curated by Jason Wu Beauty. Ooh, and I like that it has the prices in the back of the card. So let's dig in here and see what's in here. Okay, the first thing I got is the Jason Wu The Bush Brow Shaper Soap. This is $14 and it says that it is a vegan formula. It's a brow soap to tame unruly bushy brows. So, okay. I have never actually tried brow soap, so we'll definitely give it a shot. Okay. Next thing in here is the Flora 9, and it's an eyeshadow palette. This one retails for $15, and it's in the shade Matte Agave. So I am gonna open this so I can do a couple swatches. Let me just get my little scissors so we can cut through the tape. Okay, so that's what the actual palette looks like. We're gonna open her up, and these are absolutely our everyday neutral shades. So let's take a look. Ooh, they feel super smooth, you guys. Oh, I do like the way that feels. So we'll do 3 of them. So this was like the darkest, and then medium, and light. So, ooh, that actually feels really nice. Okay, so next thing we have, this is the Magic Matte Oil. And this one retails for $16, and it says, oily to matte instantly like it's magic. Yes, oil but matte. It is a vegan formula, and it can be worn alone or as a makeup primer. And I do use primers, so I'm always excited for that. Okay, next one is the lip liner pencil. Let's see. And this one retails for $10. And it's, I'm trying to find the shade in here. I can't find it. Okay, let me take it out. Okay, so it looks like it's in shade Sail 07. And that's what that looks like. And I'll do a little swatch on my hand. Oh, okay. So that's the lip liner right there. And it is definitely like it looks super nude on the actual package, but it's actually pretty, it's like a brown with a little orangey undertone. I like it. I like it. And there's another liner, and this is also a lip liner. And number 06. Let's open this one. Okay, and this is in the shade Royal. That's what that looks like. And this is a nude with a pinky undertone. But that's like a really dark nude shade. Okay, so far, so good. Oh, the other lip liner, the 07, it's actually in the shade Parisian Chic. I'm probably saying that wrong, but okay. Next up is the Jason Wu Saved by the Patch Pimple Patch, and there's 36 patches. And this one retails for $12, and it comes with tea tree oil, salicylic acid, and grapeseed extract. It's transparent and waterproof. So those are awesome to have. And there's 2 more things in the box. Next one is Hot Fluff. That's what that looks like. And these are gonna be, oh, these are gonna be lipsticks. This is the shade Jelly Roll. And everything is nicely packaged and it's taped down. Okay, so that's what the actual outer packaging looks like. I'm gonna open it up. And this is like a really soft material. And that is what the lipstick bullet looks like. And this again is the shade Jelly Roll. And yes, I do have to smell them. And it doesn't smell like anything, which is a good thing because I'm not big on lipsticks that have scents to them. Or that weird lipstick scent. That's the swatch right there. That's really pretty. And the next one, it's in shade Eclair. And these, I don't know if I told you, retail for $12. Okay. That's what that looks like. Ooh, this is really pretty. And it does say Jason Wu on the side of the actual lipstick. So that's pretty cool. Oh, this is a really pretty shade. So that's that other one. So this was a wonderful box this month. And let me take a look. I think it said that the value came to like $100 this month. So the AIA box is $35 a month, I believe. So this is actually a pretty good value. And again, I had never tried any of his products, so I'm excited to try them. These lipsticks, you guys, they're absolutely beautiful. I love those shades. And then the eyeshadow palette felt so smooth. So I'm excited to give everything a try. Let me know if you guys picked up this box. Let me know if you guys like the products and you've already tried them. So definitely leave me a comment down below. And I will link them as well to in case you guys want to sign up for them. You can still get this box, okay? So for the rest of the month, as long as they still have their inventory, you can still pick up this box if you're interested. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.